Agikinyia mbere ya kamiti ya Senate ĩgiĩ kĩgĩna ũmũthĩ, ngavana wa bengi nene gũkũ bũrũri-inĩ ndagĩtarĩ Kamau thuge nĩahithũrĩtie atĩ kambuni 32 nocio cikinyaniirie mawatho ma kũheana ũtungata wa ngombo thĩinĩ wa kambuni 400 iria irĩ gũkũ bũrũri-inĩ.
For these digital credit providers, as you know, they were not licensed and just till the other, I think 2022 or so.
Ari mbere ya kamiti ino thuge ni ekorete haceke akigeria gucokia ciuria ndito kuri amemba a kamiti ino na makiria iguru ria uria kambuni ici ciakorirwo ikiandikithio thengia wacio gukorwo itakinyaniirie ikiro kuramatwo kwa marihi ma njoherera ucenjania-ini wa mbeca unyitanĩri na ruhonge rwa kugitĩra ndũmĩrĩri cia mũingĩ hamwe na ciĩko cia guku na makiria harĩ uruti wa mbeca nĩ bengi kuma akaunti-inĩ cia customer ao.
And also their interest payments were very, very high. So I think now that they've been brought under the ambit of the central bank and they are licensed by the central bank, I think now we have maybe 32 digital credit providers.
Oho, kamiti ino ikienda guthererwo ni marihi ma iguru maria marihagio ni kambuni inya cia ukombithania wa mbeca iria citakinyaniirie ikiro cia gutungata bũrũri-inĩ arĩ nicio kambuni ya Momentum Credit Company Limited, Muno, Watu, Progressive, M-Kopa hamwe na Tujende.
Response, Chair, the Momentum Credit Company Limited is not a licensed microfinance bank. The Momentum Credit Company submitted an application to the CBK to be licensed as a digital credit provider. The MCL's application has not yet been processed, and the institution has not fulfilled stipulated licensing requirements.
Ni undu uria kamiti ino yonekete kumurikio niguo kuona ati kambuni ici ikoretwo ikihahithia muingi thengia wa gukorwo itari njitikireku kiwatho.
Bank to mobile wallet, it says 10 shillings. And then mobile wallet to bank, it says 60. And in this case, it appears to be bank to mobile wallet. It's supposed to have been 10 shillings, but it's 76. So the takeaway you have is that you really need to interrogate.
Gukiri uguo, kamiti ino ni thingatite ruhonge ruria ruramataga kambuni ta ici guthingatithia mawatho ma ukombithania hamwe na kwathika mawatho marumu makiria niguo kugitira muingi kumana na kambuni ici kumatunya mbeca ciao. Thuge akiheo nduku 14 gukorwo aneanite riboti yake igie gukinyanirio kwa undu uyu kuri kamiti ino niguo makorwo makiandika riboti yao ya muthia.
Make sure Senate becomes part of that conversation so that we protect. And finally, please give I view as the chairs directed, especially on predatory lending institutions, so that we protect even the lowest and the highest in the